This is what it looks like when you paste a file directly into Premiere Pro, like 2 keystrokes. Copy, paste, done. And today I'm going to show you 3 situations where this saves you a ton of time using AnyPaste. First things first, you'll need BLINKL.io, the command bar extension that gives you AnyPaste for free. So if you haven't installed it yet, link's in the description. Alright, now that it's installed, let's get into the 3 use cases. Make sure BLINKL is open. You can check by hitting Command K or whatever custom hotkey you've set. Case 1. Copying an image from Google Images. Once you've found your image, right-click, Copy Image. Head back to your Premiere Pro timeline. Hit Command K to open BLINKL, type Paste, and click Paste Clipboard. And that's it. The image just shows up on the timeline. No import dialog, no nothing. Now here's a little tip to make this even faster. Assign a keyboard shortcut to AnyPaste. After typing Paste in BLINKL, click Bind Custom Hotkey and set a 2-key shortcut. Now you're pasting in literally 2 keystrokes. Case 2. Copying a file from your Finder. Select any image file. Command C. Switch to Premiere. Same thing. Command K, click Paste Clipboard. Or just hit your shortcut. Done. And last one, case 3. Copying a photo straight from Twitter. Long press on any image. Copy. Go back to Premiere. Same process, paste it in. So yeah, one little extension, like 3 or 4 completely different use cases, all saving you time. Install BLINKL for free. Links in the description. AnyPaste's included, and it works on pretty much everything. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.